To use Security Bank Platinum for lounge access. Start by understanding the benefits of your card. The Security Bank Platinum card offers complimentary lounge access to its cardholders, allowing you to relax and unwind before your flight. First, identify the participating lounges. Security Bank has partnered with various lounge operators, including Pacific Club Lounge, Skyview Lounge, and others. You can find the list of participating lounges on the Security Bank website or by contacting their customer service. Next, review the terms and conditions of your lounge access. Typically, Security Bank Platinum cardholders are entitled to a limited number of free lounge visits per year. Additional visits may incur a fee, so it is essential to check your card's terms and conditions. To access the lounge, present your Security Bank Platinum card and a valid boarding pass to the lounge staff. You may also be required to sign a registration form or provide other identification. When using the lounge, be mindful of the rules and etiquette. This includes respecting other lounge users, keeping noise levels down, and not taking food or drinks outside the lounge. Finally, take advantage of the amenities and services offered by the lounge, such as complimentary food and drinks, Wi-Fi, and shower facilities. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of your lounge access, you can make the most of your Security Bank Platinum card and enjoy a more comfortable and relaxing travel experience.